For a great day out on the water that the whole family can enjoy, come and visit Aquafun. We are located on the beautiful Avoca Lake, which is only 100 metres from Avoca Beach on the scenic New South Wales Central Coast. You can hire kayaks and paddle boats that are fun, safe and easy to use for a relaxing and inexpensive day out that everyone will enjoy. We offer a large selection of single, double, sit-in or sit-on kayaks that are stable and suitable for both children and adults. Kayaking is a great way to exercise, keep fit and explore this natural, unspoilt area in comfort. Enjoy this amazing, calm and tranquil wetlands area and see jumping fish, pelicans, ducks and an abundance of native bird life in their natural surroundings. There are large, shady picnic and barbecue areas, a children's playground, an oval, shops and the beach all nearby. Come and have fun at Aquafun on Avoca Lake.